Next, we'll move into the threats. So from an organizational standpoint, what obstacles do you face? Is there major changes that are coming to your industry that could threaten you, that could threaten the business, that could threaten the organization? Are there regulations or standards for your products or services that are changing? And then could there, any of those weaknesses you identified, could any of those seriously threaten your business? That you're falling behind in technology, or maybe you lack certain resources, not able to keep up with demand. So that's it from an organizational standpoint. So now let's, again, turn to a personal. Again, we're looking external. We're not looking internal. So what obstacles do you face? What are some of the pieces that are causing you trouble? What are your competitors doing? So if you're looking for a job, which is kind of the example I've been running with from a personal standpoint, because that's the most common one that I can think of. But what are your job competitors doing? Are they out there and taking different courses that you're not? Are they formatting their resume in a different way? And it's going to take a little bit of research to kind of figure out some of that information, but if you take a little bit of time, you can go in and figure that out. And then finally, is changing technology threatening your strengths? So you may have set a strength of yours, and now if you go back and you look and you say, yeah, that's a strength of ours, but this new piece of technology is becoming more widely available, maybe it's less cost, or maybe it just came out, and that threatens our strength because it either puts people at our point, at our level, so it's no longer really a competitive advantage for us, or maybe it puts people above what we are doing when we are doing it manually without that software.